welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today. Yes, I've said it before. I'm super excited today because I have some fabulous jewelry to share with you, and it was sent to me by Read Your Heart. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful jewelry and giving me another opportunity to work with you. I've worked with them. I think this is my third time in collaboration with Read Your Heart, and you guys, go to the website, check it out. You're going to want to buy a lot of stuff from them for yourself, for your mom, for your grandmother, for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend. So they focus on beautiful moissanite jewelry, and it has the same type of hardness as a diamond. It has the clarity of a diamond, of a really expensive diamond, and really you can't tell the difference. I've had the opportunity to work with them several times, so I have several pieces of their jewelry. I wear them all the time and I get compliments all the time. I also gifted my mom a ring, and it's one of her favorite rings. So you guys, you're gonna have to check it out. Now, let me show you what is so special about Read Your Heart. Not only do you get fabulous and affordable jewelry, but you get this beautiful packaging, just like Tiffany. It's the beautiful Tiffany blue. I love that. And then you get the information on the moissanite, telling you the difference between a moissanite and comparing a moissanite with a diamond. And also you get a cleaning cloth and just all the stuff that you would need right here in this little package. So that would be a great presentation for Christmas. And I chose several items from them. I'm excited to share with you what I got. So the very first thing that I got, let me reveal it. Oh yes, it is the Moissanite Hiphop necklace. That is the name of it. I absolutely think this is so stunning. So it's called the Round Cut Punk Hiphop necklace. I love it. Look at that. It is so pretty. I need to come in closer. Now this is just something I got off Temu, and I thought it was super cute. But anyway, look at that. And it pairs really pretty with what I have on. This is also a Read Your Heart diamond necklace that I got from them last time. Actually, I forgot about that. It's funny because I really didn't plan to wear it. I didn't plan to wear it for this video, but I had it on today and I thought it stacked really well with my Roberto, very expensive necklace, Roberto coin. And look how expensive all this looks. This is going to be gorgeous during the holidays. I had the opportunity to get 2 items off the website, and I chose this as well as the necklace. So let me go ahead and share with you what I got. These are stunning. These would be really great for a man or a woman. They're 4-carat round 6-prong moissanite earrings. And to me, diamond earrings, just a classic look. I have multiple piercings, but even if you just have one piercing, they're perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. I think that, you know, that's a big presence right there on your ear. So I'm excited to wear these, and I'm excited to wear this. I just think it's so pretty. I had to put it on for the video today. So thank you so much, Read Your Heart. Now, in the description box, you will find all the information you need to check them out. And also I have a site-wide coupon code, YOTA15. It will take 15% off anything that you choose on the Read Your Heart website. So I thought I would go ahead and go over some of these bags that I've gotten, and I've been using my Rogue 20. So I just got it in last week, so I've been using it ever since the day I got it and all weekend, and I absolutely love it. My first impression, I love it. Now my sister said, I think it would drive me nuts. She doesn't like a lot of compartments, but I do. Now I do have things down in the side because it's very malleable. Look at that. You see? It's not stiff. Like this one here is stiff, Winnie. Anyway, that one. But anyway, this one is perfect because it's a great everyday bag. If you like kind of a compact bag, I don't take a lot of stuff with me. I just take my necessities, and it also has straps that I can hook and wear it as a shoulder bag, but I choose and prefer to wear it as a crossbody bag. It's beautiful, you guys. It's just black on black, all black, with a gorgeous kind of caramel inside. It's kind of a suede interior, absolutely stunning. And what I really like about it and appreciate about it are these really large zippers. The zipper pulls are really nice. So let me show you what I have inside my bag. As you lust over my Read Your Heart necklace, I love it, you guys. I feel like a princess. I really do. Okay, so now we'll start out with the main body of the bag. I've been shopping today, and it's just the perfect little bag because I wore it across body. All right, so the first thing I have down in this bag is my Toiletry 15 with my Chanel mirror and just a whole bunch of lippies, because that's just about all I refresh. And today I don't even have on makeup, you guys. I just put on some of this Dior lip glow. I love this stuff. Now this particular one is cherry, and I think Dawn gave it to me the last time I was at her house, or the time before last. I love this cherry. So I love Dior lip glow. I've got some Louis Vuitton samples in there, Charlotte Tilbury, Hermes lipsticks. I don't know. I just accumulate a bunch, and then whenever I change my bags, then I clean out my makeup bag as well. But this fits in there perfectly. The Toiletry 15. Now, I'm obsessed, you guys, with this. This is my little card case that Gene, Totes Gene, hey babe, he influenced me to get this. I love it. I'm so glad that I got it. This is just the best little compact wallet. I highly, highly advise this. All right, what else is in there? Woo, I got my little stud. I've had this forever. Little pill case. I love this. I've tried to find these again. I've never been able to find them again. So yeah, this is all my drugs. My Tums, my vitamin, my chewable antacid. And it's got a little mirror. I just love this little piece. By Staud. That's one of my favorite contemporary brands. And my key fob to my car. And then a pair of nail clippers that I'm gonna throw in the toiletry. You know, Candy, Sweet Love for Candy, LV, she carries tweezers. Girl, I carry nail clips, okay? I have to have them. Now, on the side parts, on this part here, so let me show you what it looks like just open. It's just open hole, but it does have this little pocket here, and it does snap. So if you really had like a card case or something you wanted to keep really secure, you could put it there. Now on the sides, I've got a piece of paper. It was just a list of things that I needed to get today. I'm gonna toss that. Then on the side, I do put my 4-ring key holder because when I come home to unlock the door, I just want it handy. So it went right there. So this was in the side pocket. And then on this side pocket, I have my I had a blank, you guys. My passport cover, but I have a little notebook inside of it, and I love it because if I think of something, I want to jot down something or some information, I always have it with me. I've got my initials. It's the only thing from LV that I have initials on, you guys. I really need to get something with more initials. Okay, and my Hobby Lobby receipt. That's where I went today. And that's what all I had in this bag. Now, I wore glasses today, and it was really sunny, but I didn't bring sunglasses, but it easily would have held my sunglasses with a soft case, so I want to mention that. And then also, here's my phone. I forgot to tell you. I had my phone on the side with this. So let me show you. It fits. This is the iPhone 11. Now I'm about to get a new one, but I just had it down on the side, and it fits perfectly. See? There it is. So I like to put things that I'm gonna grab for, you know, on the side pocket. So my phone and my house key fits perfectly in the back pocket. And I'm just gonna put all these things back in, and they just fit so perfectly. This is just the best bag, you guys. I do want another one. I would love to have that caramel. There's one that's kind of in this color, but I think I'm gonna get a 25 because this is really easy and lightweight to carry. It's a very user-friendly bag. My sister said it would drive her crazy because she doesn't like a lot of compartments, but I do. I like to be organized, and I love this bag, you guys. I haven't wanted to change out of it. I still don't want to change out of it. It's so pretty, but I think maybe at some point next year, I will pick up the one in the more kind of caramel color, maybe in a 25. Now, it does have a little bit of weight to it with all my things in it, but it's not too bad, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. I love the beautiful pebbled leather on it. I just love the design of it. It has some curve to it. And I was thinking, I would love to find a beautiful kind of a Coach charm to live on this bag, but I haven't seen anything I want. Maybe they'll come out with something new. I don't know. Maybe I'll put an LV charm on it, but I love it, you guys. That's all I have to say about it. I absolutely adore this bag, and if you have been on the fence about the Rogue, get it. Now, I can't remember what size Dawn has, but the last time I was at her house, I pulled out some of her bags, and I said, I love your Rogue. Let me know, Dawn, in the comments section below, what size is yours? I think hers may be a 25. It's not too big, and it wasn't heavy, so ever since I laid eyes on hers, I thought, I think I have to have a Rogue in my life. And actually, I do have the little Cherries Rogue and this one I had totally forgotten about. So I actually have 3. And I think if I got that other one, that would be enough for me. But I love it, you guys. Grab it. You know, it's about $500, but hey, compared to Louis Vuitton and some of the prices that we pay, really? Don't get me started, okay? Just don't get me started, because I do have a video coming up. I'm writing down some of my thoughts about their new collections and how I feel about it, because, you know, I like the classics and I don't like the direction that they're going in, and yeah, so I have a little bit of something to say about it. But that's another video, okay? We are about to go over to my daughter's house. They have cooked some etouffee, and I'm so excited and hungry, you guys, to go over there and eat. And I'm going to wear my Hiphop blingy necklace. Now, please do check out Read Your Heart. Look at this beautiful packaging. I just can't get over it. It's absolutely stunning. They are my absolute favorite, and I would not tell you guys that. I'm always truthful. I have collaborated with other companies that I didn't care for, and they have reached back out, and I just tell them I'm not interested. But anytime that Read Your Heart reaches out to me, I am ready, willing, and able to work with this company, because their jewelry it's beautiful. It's just top of the line. These gorgeous earrings are just magnificent, and I absolutely adore them. And I'm considering going on the website using my own coupon code, YOTA15, to order the tennis bracelet. I think I could use a tennis bracelet. I do have this added diamond. I've had this bracelet probably almost 20 years, but I've always wanted a tennis bracelet, and that's something I don't have. Poor pitiful me, right? Yeah. But Read Your Heart, you guys. Please check them out, write it down, put it on your Christmas list, because I know somebody out there would love to have a pair of gorgeous stud Moissanite earrings. And like I said, it does come with all the paperwork, and it talks about how close in relation a Moissanite is to a diamond. The hardness, the clarity. I mean, you just can't tell with the naked eye, okay? So this looks like I've won the lottery, right? It looks like I've hit it big time. All right, guys, that's really all I have. It's short and sweet today because I have a lot going on, and I'll be back. I'm going to do my best to do 2 videos next week. I'm not really sure because next week is Thanksgiving. I'm going to do what I can. We're going to Panama City to have Thanksgiving with Keith's mom, and his brother and wife and daughter are coming. So I'll vlog what I can while I'm down there, and I will see you guys really soon. I've missed you all so much. Continue to pray for my mom. She's not doing well. We did call hospice. We are getting some help with her because it's just wearing us out. It's me, my sister, and my aunt spending the night with her, taking turns, taking care of her. And she is full care now. I mean, she really has went downhill in the last couple of weeks. And You know, I know so many of you have prayed for her healing, and you know, that doesn't always happen because she is 85 and she is, you know, she does have terminal cancer. But we're trying to make all the days that we have left with her the best that we can. My sister and I took her shopping today, and she always perks up when we get in a store. Now, she really wasn't able to do like she used to do, but she was happy to be there, and she got some Christmas stockings and a few other little things, I think. And oh yeah, we got her some Ugg boots. No, they weren't. They were like Uggs. They were like Minnetonka boots. We got her some of those, and she just loves to shop, you guys. And I mean, hey, I come by it very, very naturally because it's my mama's fault, you guys. I got it from my mama, okay? All right, guys, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for the prayers. Thank you so much for all of you who've reached out to me to let me know that you're thinking of me, sending prayers and positive energy toward me. I really appreciate it, you guys. It's very uplifting to know that my friends far and wide care that much about me, and I care as much about you guys. I really do. I love you all so much, and I better go before I get a little teary-eyed. And I will see you very soon in another video on another day. Peace. Don't forget, readyourheart.com. Yota15.